On this episode of the Go Forth Gang, we're going to make our most favorite thing to cook because we're really good at it. We make it many times throughout the year. In fact, we're so good at it that people come from miles around because it tastes that good. And so they've requested that we make this. And so we are going to make the original Chex party mix. It's on the back of every one of their boxes. And then we add our own unique twist. So what we're going to do is read you what the recipe really is. We need...
Yeah, it kind of looks like this, but we add different flavors to it.
Yeah, so you need corn Chex Mix, you need wheat Chex Mix, and you need rice Chex Mix. Then we add Cheerios, and we add Cheez-Its. These are pretzels that are mini size,
tiny,
itty bitty bites.
Tiny, like this
and
small.
We add garlic chips. This is one thing that makes it delicious.
Yes.
These are all the ingredients that it asks for. So we have onion powder, garlic powder, that's extra onion powder, Worcester sauce, or for half the country, Worcestershire sauce. And then we have seasoned salt. That's everything that goes in it, and butter. So it asks for 6 tablespoons of butter, but because we had extra things, we're going to do the whole stick. So let's begin.
Also, before we begin, please like this video and subscribe. It would really help us out. And I will be putting the wonderful butter in.
All right, while Caleb's doing butter, we're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. So here's 1, and here's a half, and then we'll just keep adding some more. That's how we do seasoned salt. Now, onion powder. We have to do onion powder of, it says, 1/2 of a teaspoon of onion powder. So this holds a teaspoon, so there's a half, and we'll just keep adding more.
It smells delicious.
And then what do we have left? The garlic powder. The garlic powder gets 3/4 of a teaspoon. So guys, this is how we do garlic powder. And there's half, there's 3/4, and then we just keep adding some more, and we dump it all in.
In my opinion, all the spices kind of look the same.
The special ingredient, it recommends 2 tablespoons. So here's how we're going to make it. We say, yeah, it's probably 1 tablespoon, probably 2 tablespoons, it's probably 3, maybe 4, that sounds good. Now, we put it in the oven, we let the butter melt, and then we will begin.
So we did 3 cups of rice Chex, and we're gonna be doing 3 cups of this. This holds 2 cups, so we're gonna fill it up through here. Maybe a little bit more. That's good. There's 2 cups. And now we're going to fill it halfway up to make it 3. That's about there. Caleb? And now we're going to be doing 3 cups of this. So like this, we're going to fill it up to here. I should have done with that with the last one. Now we fill it up halfway.
Is the wheat Chex your
That's about
favorite?
there. I think the rice one is my favorite. No, the corn one.
Okay, now kind of stir that up a little bit.
How?
Let's get that. Stir it up a little bit. And then now why don't you slowly pour it in, and I will stir this around as you're adding it in. Add some of it, just pour some of it in. Faster, more. There we go. And we bathe them in butter. Okay, let's do a cup of, so we need Cheez-Its, we need pretzels.
And
Let's go ahead and add a cup of nuts. Caleb, hold your measuring cup. We're gonna add a cup of nuts. Hold it right over the middle.
Don't do that much.
how about that?
That's about good. Dump that in.
It smells delicious.
Carrie loves cashews the most. So we're going to add some cashews just to make Carrie happy.
That's good.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, that's good.
This is Caleb's favorite ingredient. Caleb can live on these. So let's add
I'll hold it.
Let's add 2 cups.
These are delicious.
And a few extra just to make Caleb happy. Now we need some Cheerios. Let's add a cup. The Cheerios makes this recipe healthy.
Some of them are heart-shaped,
So I think that was the other box.
Oh yeah.
You know, it kind of does look like it too.
Good job stirring. Now
But you should do more of the Cheerios because it's really good for the Cheerios.
let's add. So these are
Tiny.
tiny pretzels. Let's do 2 cups.
I don't really like pretzels that much, but when we cook them, I really like to eat them.
Yeah. Like, it gives them another texture.
Do we want more pretzels than that, or is that good?
Oh, sure.
Just a few?
Yeah. Maybe a few more Cheerios because that's what I really like.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Cheerios
add
are
some more
pretty
Cheerios just to keep the heart healthy from all the butter that we've added into it.
Caleb?
I think the best part is the Cheez-Its and the these little circle things, whatever. I forgot what they're called.
Cheerios.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
we're
but
going to
the
add
other ones.
some Cheez-Its because Cheez-Its make it really good.
Yeah. Yeah.
When they're cooked,
That's
it's like
Yep.
extra better.
It like gives them an extra coat of like delicious.
You want to add those?
Whoa.
That's 2 cups of Cheez-Its there.
It made it look way more colorful.
Yeah, that's okay.
Just keep stirring them around.
Wow, just like 2 minutes ago though.
We might need more Cheez-Its.
Yeah, I really like the
The
Cheez-Its.
wall is full of magical cheese.
Now,
These are a really
is
good
everything in it?
snack.
Yep. I think.
Okay.
This is also a very good.
Then what we do, we're going to cook this for an hour at 250 degrees. That's what the recipe says. And then we take it out every 15 minutes and we stir it so the ones on the very edge don't burn against the pan. Right?
Yep.
And it's about to start smelling really good in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, if you really like our video, please like the video and subscribe. And also you can turn on the notifications bell.
And so now we wait 15 minutes. But maybe we should eat these. So let's have a snack.
I already
How to
have
eat.
my snack. The good part of it.
I'll take one.
So we've cooked it for an hour. We've been taking it out, stirring it every 15 minutes, and now it's done. It smells really good in here. So if you like this video, hopefully you like it, please click subscribe and like our video.